Why your body can't actually absorb collagen. Every morning, millions of people dissolve a $60 tub of collagen powder into their coffee, convinced they're rebuilding their skin from the inside out. And every morning, their stomach laughs at them. Here's what the wellness industry will never put on the label. The moment collagen hits your digestive system, your body doesn't see a skin-saving protein. It sees lunch. Your gut rips it apart into individual amino acids like a chop shop stripping a stolen car, and suddenly that marine collagen peptide complex is indistinguishable from the protein in a hard-boiled egg you could have bought for 30 cents. But here's where it gets genuinely strange. Some of it does seem to work, and scientists are furiously arguing about why. Because the answer breaks almost everything we thought we knew about how proteins behave in the human body. So before you scoop another $3 serving into your morning latte, stay right here. Because by the end of this video, you'll either never buy collagen again, or you'll buy it in a completely different way. What even is collagen? Let's start at the beginning because most people throwing this stuff into their smoothies have no idea what they're actually drinking. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. Full stop. It makes up about 30% of your total protein content. It's in your skin, your bones, your tendons, your cartilage, your blood vessels, your corneas. If your body were a building, collagen would be the steel rebar buried inside every wall, every floor, every pillar. You'd never see it. But pull it out and the whole thing collapses. Structurally, it's a masterpiece. 3 polypeptide chains, called alpha chains, twist around each other in a right-handed triple helix. Think of it like 3 phone charger cables braided together so tightly they become basically indestructible. This structure gives collagen its legendary tensile strength. Gram for gram, type 1 collagen fibers are stronger than steel. Now, where does the stuff in your powder come from? Not from some futuristic biotech lab. It comes from the parts of animals no one wants to eat. Bovine collagen? That's cow hides and bones. Marine collagen? Fish skin and scales. The stuff that ends up on the processing room floor after the fillet is taken. Chicken collagen? Cartilage. The wellness industry has essentially discovered a genius business model. Take slaughterhouse byproducts, hydrolyze them with enzymes and heat, dry the result into a powder, put it in a matte black tub, and charge $60. Hydrolysis. That's the key word. Manufacturers break those triple helices down into shorter fragments called collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen. The average molecular weight drops from roughly 300,000 Daltons in native collagen to somewhere between 3,000 and 10,000 Daltons in peptide form. They do this specifically to make it more bioavailable, more absorbable. And here's the first curiosity gap I'm going to leave open for you. If the body just demolishes all protein into amino acids anyway, why does the molecular weight of the peptide actually matter at all? Hold that question. We're coming back to it, and the answer is one of the more surprising things in modern nutritional biochemistry. The digestion gauntlet. Okay, you've mixed your collagen powder into your oat milk latte. You drink it. Now what? Think of your digestive system as the world's most aggressive border control. Nothing gets through in its original form. The moment that collagen peptide hits your stomach, it encounters pepsin, a protease enzyme that operates like a border agent with anger issues. Pepsin starts cleaving peptide bonds at acidic pH, breaking your precious collagen fragments into even smaller pieces. Then it reaches your small intestine. More enzymes arrive. Trypsin, chymotrypsin, elastase. These are the heavy hitters, pancreatic proteases that continue to shred everything in sight. By the time digestion is complete, most of what you swallowed has been reduced to free amino acids and di- and tripeptides, chains of just 2 or 3 amino acids. This is where the conventional wisdom says, see? Game over. Your body can't tell the difference between collagen and chicken breast? You've been scammed. And for most proteins, that's completely true. But here's where collagen pulls off something unusual. Collagen is uniquely rich in 2 amino acids, hydroxyproline and proline. These aren't common in most dietary proteins. And it turns out, your gut actually preserves specific collagen-derived dipeptides, particularly prolyl hydroxyproline, Pro-Hyp, and hydroxyprolyl glycine, Hyp-Gly, because the enzymes that would normally destroy them don't work well on these specific sequences. These peptides slip through your intestinal wall via specialized peptide transporters, primarily Pep-T1, if you want the technical name, and enter circulation relatively intact. Your blood actually shows measurable concentrations of these collagen-specific peptides within 60 minutes of ingestion. So your gut isn't just a blender, it's a blender with a very particular VIP list. And collagen peptides, at least some of them, are on it. And this is the answer to the question I left open earlier. Why does molecular weight matter if the body just destroys everything anyway? Because it doesn't destroy everything equally. Larger, native collagen molecules at 300,000 Daltons get completely annihilated. Too big, too complex, no chance of survival. But hydrolyzed peptides in that 3,000 to 10,000 Dalton sweet spot are small enough to partially dodge the proteases, hit the Pep-T1 transporter, and slip into your bloodstream as something the body can actually use as a signal, like not just fuel. Molecular weight isn't a marketing number. It's the difference between a battering ram that gets stopped at the gate and a key that fits the lock. The supplement companies stumbled onto something real here. They just wildly oversold what happens next. Now here's the big question the industry uses to sell you everything. Do these peptides actually reach your skin and tell fibroblasts to make more collagen? This is where we hit some of the most genuinely contested science in the space, and also where some brands are committing what I'd call creative fraud with their marketing. Stay with me, because we're going to go there. It's where the science gets ugly. Let's talk about what actually happens when those Pro-Hyp and Hyp-Gly peptides reach your tissues. There is peer-reviewed evidence, some of it decent, some of it industry-funded, which is an important distinction, suggesting these peptides can act as signaling molecules. They appear to stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for synthesizing collagen in your dermis, to upregulate collagen production. Some studies show modest improvements in skin elasticity and hydration after 8 to 12 weeks of supplementation. The most cited human trial, published in the Journal of Medical Nutrition and Nutraceuticals, showed statistically significant improvements in skin elasticity in women over 35, taking 2.5 grams of hydrolyzed collagen daily. Sounds great. Here's the problem. The effect sizes are small. The study populations are often tiny. The follow-up periods are short. And in a disturbing number of cases, the studies are funded by the companies selling you the product. That's not science. That's marketing with a lab coat on. Here's the deeper dark side. You have no idea what you're actually buying. A 2021 analysis of protein supplements found that a significant percentage were adulterated, meaning companies were spiking products with cheap amino acids like glycine and taurine to artificially inflate the protein reading on a nitrogen content test. This practice is called amino acid spiking or nitrogen spiking, and it's embarrassingly common. Your premium marine collagen might be mostly glycine powder with a picture of a fish on the tub. And then there's the heavy metals problem. Marine collagen, sourced from fish skin, has repeatedly tested positive for elevated levels of cadmium and lead in independent third-party analyses. Your skin supplement might be giving you a slow trickle of heavy metals with every morning latte. Nobody puts that in the marketing copy. Finally, and this is the one that genuinely frustrates me, even the real, pure, properly sourced collagen peptides face one final, brutal problem: target delivery. Those Pro-Hyp peptides in your blood? Your body doesn't have a GPS system routing them specifically to your face. They go everywhere. Your liver metabolizes a chunk of them. Your kidneys filter some. Your muscles, your gut lining, your bones. They're all competing. The idea that you can drink collagen and your skin will specifically receive a meaningful dose is, at best, an optimistic extrapolation, and at worst, a fantasy your marketing department invented. So what's actually worth doing? Because I'm not here to just tear things down. What the evidence actually supports. Here's your science-backed collagen protocol, not the influencer version, the actual one. Step 1. Dose and timing matter more than brand. The studies that show positive outcomes cluster around 10 to 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen per day, not the 2.5 gram minimum dose some brands market. And critically, several studies suggest combining collagen intake with vitamin C significantly amplifies fibroblast stimulation, because vitamin C is a required cofactor for the enzymes that synthesize and cross-link collagen in your body. Take 250 to 500 milligrams of vitamin C alongside your collagen. This isn't optional if you want the mechanism to actually function. Step 2. Look for specific peptide types. Not all collagen is equal. Type 1 and Type 3 are the relevant types for skin. Type 2 is for joint cartilage, different use case, different product. Bovine collagen is predominantly Type 1 and 3. Marine collagen skews heavily Type 1 with smaller peptide sizes, which some researchers argue means better absorption, though the evidence comparing the two head-to-head in humans is thin. Step 3. Third-party testing is non-negotiable. Only buy collagen supplements that carry independent certification, NSF International, Informed Sport, or USP verification. These organizations actually test what's in the tub. Without that seal, you are genuinely gambling. Given the amino acid spiking and heavy metals data, this isn't paranoia. It's basic due diligence. Step 4. Consider your collagen's competition. Here's a counterintuitive move. Prioritize sleep, UV protection, and quitting smoking before spending $60 a month on collagen powder. UV radiation degrades collagen in your dermis faster than any supplement can rebuild it. Cigarette smoke generates reactive oxygen species that directly degrade collagen crosslinks. You cannot out-supplement a lifestyle that's actively destroying the collagen you already have. Step 5. Give it 90 days or don't bother. The studies that show positive outcomes run for a minimum of 8 weeks, most for 12. If you try collagen for 2 weeks, see nothing, and quit, that's not a fair test. Collagen synthesis and dermal remodeling are slow biological processes. This is a marathon, not a TikTok transformation. Miracle or marketing? So, is collagen a miracle or marketing? Honest answer, it's a little of both, and that's exactly what makes it dangerous. The core science is real. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides do survive digestion in ways other proteins don't. They do appear in circulation, and there is a plausible biological mechanism for fibroblast stimulation. That's not nothing. But the gap between plausible mechanism and you will look 5 years younger in 8 weeks is the Grand Canyon. And the wellness industry has built a $50 billion bridge across it out of thin air and before and after photos taken in different lighting. The dirty truth is this: your body can partially absorb collagen. It's just nowhere near as dramatic, as targeted, or as guaranteed as we see in some commercial ads. And for a large subset of the products on the market, you're not even getting real collagen in the first place. If you're going to use it right. High dose with vitamin C, third-party tested for at least 90 days, while not actively torching your skin with UV and cigarettes. That's the stack that has actual science behind it. If you want to go deeper on supplement fraud, protein spiking, and which wellness ingredients are the real deal versus pure mythology, I've got a full series coming. Hit subscribe, and you'll be the first to know when the next Ingredient Investigator drops. And if you know someone who's been spending $60 a month on collagen powder without knowing any of this, send them this video. It might be the most useful $0 you've ever spent.